to work with the camera software from Microsoft, but somehow it stopped working. The camera app from Microsoft. Let's see if I can get it to work. Let's make it a little smaller and see if I can rotate this camera to use various cameras. So here is one camera that I'm using now, and I'll keep it on this camera, or maybe I can use the 360 camera. I'm debating. Let's see what else can I use. Let's rotate it around. See that it has some problems with some of the cameras, as you can see. Here's a camera that gives it trouble. I'm not sure which camera is this, but this is my camera here. Let's see if I can rotate it some more and see another camera. Maybe another camera will be better. Yes, the Microsoft camera seems to be better, so maybe I will use it for now and start recording from the Microsoft camera. Start the recording, and it will turn on something went wrong. Sorry, we aren't able to save the video. If you need it, here is the error code. They give you some error code that you cannot copy. This is why you need PSR, Problem Step Recorder. So close it, and let's see if I can change the camera or try it again, yet again. Maybe the next time it will be someone better now. So close it, and let's rotate it to another camera yet. See if another camera is. Close other applications. Another app is using the camera. Okay, so close this camera. Try to rotate it to another camera yet that no other app is using. And let's try to save it from this camera. Looks like this camera may be good enough. I just want to rotate it a little bit towards me and see if we can use this camera. No, it cannot use this camera either. Let's rotate it to yet another camera. Let's see if it can use the Logitech camera. Not sure which camera is that. But this camera cannot display, obviously, on the screen anything, so this is not good. So rotate it yet again to another camera. Let's see if this camera is able to record. So I'm going to press the record button here. And this camera doesn't work either. I'll have to reinstall this camera software. This comes with Windows. You can download another version of it and try to install it, because it seems like it is not going to work.
I'm waiting for you on Zoom, just so you know.
This camera, let's see if this camera can record.
It has some issues.
No, this camera also cannot record. So basically none of the cameras can work.
Okay.
The only way to deal with it is to reinstall it.
Okay.
So
can we do that another time?
We'll do it another time. In the meantime, I want to add to it also Loom, a cloud recorder, because obviously this computer has got enough problems. And also MSN Recorder Max is another camera. So this camera, I click record, oops, and it records right away. It stopped the previous recording, and it starts another recording here using the 360 camera above my head. And now I will select the camera for the Loom and see if that camera can work. Which camera can work here? And this camera, which camera is that? I'm trying to investigate it.
Looks like from the far, maybe it's all the way up there. Is that it?
Sure.
Is it this one?
Don't help me, thank you. Please don't help.
Try this one. It's this one.
Okay.
It's this one.
Fine. Okay, so.
Why don't
But I don't like. Yeah, that may be good enough for now.
That's this one. Look, you can change the angle if you want.
Right. Okay. I want to see if I can use another camera also. Okay, let's start with this so that we don't waste so much time. We'll use that camera and that's it. That's good enough. Start focusing more on myself. Okay.
So join the Zoom. I'm waiting
Alright,
for
so
you.
now I want to join the Zoom call
And you can go to, see that meeting Zappy?
and start, click meeting Vapi and click it to start the Zoom call. I've already told them fundamentally.
No, that's not what you
Which
want.
one do you want?
The Zappy.
The Vapi one?
Yeah.
Okay, and I can close the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, I close the other one.
You may want to
Now
reduce your
start
voice.
AI companion to assist you meeting something. Start meeting summary for everyone in this meeting. Turn on. Then I want to adjust the speaker, reduce the volume so it doesn't have so much echo.
What do you want to name yourself? I'm going to rename you. What do you want to be renamed?
Name me Dr. Zoom.
Okay. Okay, now you want to use the video?
Yes.
Okay, so you can click on your video on Zoom.
I want to tighten up the knobs on my lanyard. Let me finish with my lanyard, okay? Then I want to turn the 360 camera my way so the viewer can see it. I'm going to connect the retractable to my back. First of all, the one set of retractables for the upper legs, and then the second set of retractable for the lower legs. Then I want to swap phones, so I want to take out the phone that is currently there and replace it with another phone that is fully charged. I'm going to take the phone that is not sufficiently charged yet out, turn the other phone on, swipe it, close all the apps, select camera, and then select video. Now that it is going, and I put on also the flashlight, I'm going to insert it into my lanyard.
Don't you want to turn it off, the flash? Turn it
I don't
off.
want to turn the flash off. Why should I turn it off?
Because when you put your video on, try to put your camera on, there'll be too much glare.
It's good enough for now.
No, but try to put your camera on.
Okay.
Just no, not that one.
That's the
On
only
Zoom.
camera that
No,
I have.
no, you don't. You have
Oh,
on
you
Zoom.
want the Zoom camera?
Yes.
Okay, so
Try the Zoom camera and then
I'll
turn off your
it
flash.
off
That's what it did for me. Turn
Okay.
on and make up the Zoom.
and turn the video on
Right.
the Zoom camera.
Yeah.
Okay,
So then you see both. Okay? You
fine.
see me?
I see you and you see me.
Okay.
Let me tilt the computer a little bit so I can get more of my head in there.
Be careful.
Okay.
Okay. Then you know how you can get more of your head in there. Close those talks right there.
Turn on volume.
No, just exit. It's all of those. Yeah, and X the other one. Then you can see what's written on the hat. Yeah.
Reclaim host.
No, just
Stay
exit.
co-host.
No, stay covered.
Yes.
Now you can see yourself better.
Fine.
Now,
Okay.
if you want, you can make it larger.
It's good enough. I don't need to make it larger.
Okay.
Do you want me to turn on the audio?
I think if you turn on the audio,
Yes.
then I'm going to have to reduce my audio.
I don't think so because my speaker is very low
Okay, fine.
and it's fine.
Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Through the computer?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start. Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to.
Did you stream it to YouTube?
No, I'm going to right now.
So let's stream it to
So,
YouTube.
no, I first have to record to the computer.
Okay, fine.
I'm waiting. Okay?
So
I'm going to record to the cloud, not to the
can you share
computer.
your screen so the audience can see what you're doing here?
Well, right now they're seeing this, exactly what you're seeing.
Yeah, but I cannot see your screen. Would
Just
it
to,
be important to show your screen also?
well, I'm not doing my screen yet. I'm just doing Zoom first.
Fine, I want to see the Zoom.
Okay,
How do you turn on things on Zoom?
I will in a second. Can you bear with me?
Yeah, I didn't tell you to do it right now.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we're starting, okay? We all want to be cooperative here. You got it?
Yeah.
So, right now, I want to you see my screen?
Yeah.
I have to stop sharing. I cannot do that until I share. I cannot share my screen first. I have to. It won't allow me to do that if I need to live stream. Okay?
Okay.
So I need to go to welcome everybody. I need to go to live on YouTube. I'm going to choose a Google account and I'm going to stream to It Is Training. Is that okay?
Yes. The same thing you stream your classes.
I'm
Keep
just,
it simple.
and then I have it in public and I'm going live. And you should see a sign there that Zoom is preparing to live stream the meeting.
Fine.
And it is working, it is streaming live. You have it on your screen. Do you see it? Up above. What does it say? Do you want me to go there and show you?
YouTube, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just get the URL for YouTube.
Do you want me to help you?
Put it in my notes.
Okay.
So I copy it to the clipboard buffer. And then I want to reduce the volume so it doesn't interfere.
You don't have any volume. It's perfect
I
now.
don't have any audio, so I can leave it like this.
Yes. Let me see. Go down and you can see if it's muted. Go down.
Please tell me what to do. I don't punch the screen.
I'm not punching the screen. Move down. Move the cursor down the screen so we can see. Right here. Now move here. Make that move. Right there. Click. That's
Okay.
it. You got it?
Yes.
All right. Now go back to Zoom. To the right-hand side. Right there. But don't have both of them. It gets too confusing. Minimize. Okay. All right. And then you want to have your face right in the middle of my face, covering my face?
You don't want it? What do you
Why?
want to be on the side?
Yeah, but why don't you see me?
Because it's not the
No,
Zoom.
because you're in YouTube. You're not in Zoom.
Right. Okay, so now
Okay.
I'm on Zoom.
Okay. So if you pay attention, you'll see that we are recording live to YouTube, and you see we're also recording. You see that on your screen? On the very top, it should say recording. Do you see it?
Yes,
Where?
recording.
Okay. So what did I just say? You want to repeat what I just said?
Yes, you asked me if I see recording on the top of the screen, and I said yes.
And that's Zoom recording to the cloud. And then we also have Zoom recording to YouTube live on a channel right now. The recording will give us a URL only after we leave the meeting. Do you understand?
Yes. Can you drink some water or something to clear your throat? Thank you.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
I don't see you ready to begin. Okay, so today what we're going to be talking about is creating an instance of VAPI. You spell it V-A-P-I, and let me share my screen, and I'll start. I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to go to my Chrome, and in Chrome, what I'd like everyone to do is go to a tab and type VAPI.ai. And you'll see the advantage that this is voice AI agents for developers, and you can talk to VAPI. And if you look at the use cases, it can make thousands of calls. Its features, it's flexible it's multilingual. It can use automated testing, and it's basically up 99% of the time. It's SOC 2, HIPAA, and PCI compliant, enterprise level security. And what I like about it, it's making the voice AI simple and accessible. So Dr. Zoom, do you want to take over?
No, I want you to, you're the teacher, I'm the student.
No, but you wanted to show last time you showed it. You want to do it, and I'll just tell you what to do.
Tell me what to do, yes. Just wait for me to refresh this start, please. The current time is 3:36. Now I want to copy the PSR file name to the clipboard buffer and then insert it before the file itself.
Okay, we can't take so much long for each time, so if you can hurry that up.
Backslash, and then make a note that this is a .zip type of file. So I'm putting .zip in the title. Now I'm satisfied with this file name. I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. But it doesn't work for some reason. The reason that it may not be working is because of the question mark that is embedded in here. But it's not allowed in a file. Let me delete it and see if that is the correct reason. So I copy it again to the clipboard buffer without the question mark. I replaced it with a dash, and then I save, and that works. So now I click on the review additional details to see that up to now it took 133 steps. As I start a new recording, I click the new recording button, and then add comment, in which I paste the previous psr.exe file name, enter return, and OK. And then drag it away from the center of the screen to a corner on top of the MSN recorder Mac. Then I'll go back to my notepad and edit, paste it in the notepad, widening the notepad, and adding a few blank lines, and then file, save as, to be sure that it saves it in the right subfolder. I want to save it in the log subfolder. So I'm going to, first of all, paste over the new name that I created, change it from zip to .text, so I'm going to put .tx, and delete the P. Then I'm going to scroll down to the log subfolder. So this is the letter L. So I scroll down to the letter L, elemental P, L, M, H is too far. And I'm looking for here is the looks of folder. Open the looks of folder. I don't know why it doesn't open. Then copy the path to the logs of folder. And paste. And backslash. So now I got it in my desired logs of folder. I copy to the clipboard buffer. And then click the save button. Then I'm going to edit the SAR by selecting Add, and paste the newly created file in SAR problem, step recorder, and OK. And then finally paste it in my notepad, edit, paste, and enter, and file save. So you told me that you want me to navigate the browser to Vapi AI.
Yeah, but first you have to share your screen.
Okay. So I will click on share.
Right.
Select my entire screen.
And on the bottom you have to do
Then
share.
on the bottom I click the share icon.
Right. And now Dr. Zoom is started sharing.
Okay.
Now, so you
I'm
want...
going to write first of all the file name in my notes, Vapi AI.
Right.
Vapi dot AI.
Yeah. Can you minimize your MSN recorder and your webcam max so we can see better?
Can minimize MSN recorder, minimize webcam max.
Yeah. And then you can make it larger. And you can make it, put it down below, and then can you make larger your screen?
Like to keep it a little small so I can
Right,
see it.
right. So make Zoom larger. Zoom to take more of the part.
Tell me by keystroke what exactly do you want me to
Bring down the Zoom
zoom out.
the Zoom instance. Bring it down to the end of your screen.
I don't know what is my end of the screen.
Right down here, your Zoom.
Please articulate.
Yes, please bring your Zoom to fill up your desktop larger. I don't need to see your desktop. I don't need to see your
What do
desktop.
you want me to do again?
I want you to enlarge that Zoom instance.
This zoom
No,
here?
no, this right here in front. Bring it down.
Bring this down?
Yes.
Okay, what then?
And bring it to the side you need it to be. You need your notepad to be so big. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then reduce that picture of yourself because you want to see the screen. You want to be able to see the screen of Vapi, and you'll be disturbing. We'll say it's better.
Okay, so what do you want next?
You also have to. So now share your screen. So now you have your share. Now go to Zoom. You're in share. You're sharing your screen.
Cancel, share.
You're in share already.
So I don't need to do it again.
No, but go to your browser. Go to Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome.
So I click on Google Chrome. Okay.
And open up Google Chrome.
Which I have two tabs.
I don't know what you have. And expand that all the way. Use that full screen. Use a full screen that everybody can see it. Yes. And then say OK here. You're basically crowding the screen and no one can read what you have.
Okay. What now?
And now go to vapi.ai.
I paste Vapi.
Now, you don't want to paste that. You want to go to vapi.ai. I asked you to maximize your Google Chrome. Again, maximize your Google Chrome.
Edit copy Vapi.ai to the clipboard buffer. And then paste it on Google.
Not on Google, on a tab. And now maximize that screen. Maximize that browser.
Maximize the browser.
Okay.
Okay. would you like to do next?
Now, do you want to start with what you have already of your dashboard, or you want to start?
I want to start from the beginning, as if I've never done with
So you have
another
to-
email account.
So you have to sign up. You see where
So I
content
need
is
to
on?
sign up, right?
Right.
I click sign up. Now I need to select an email.
Right.
So let's use one strategic,
Have you used it already?
not for this purpose, I didn't.
Okay. And then put it in your notes of what you're going to be using.
So one strategic is good.
That's fine, but you have to make sure that put it in your notepad so you know that this is what you used.
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
Right.
Open my notepad again. And paste it off the back.
Yes.
So
And put the date, that you know which date you're using.
It is
Okay.
all dated in
Okay.
the SAR.
Okay, fine.
So to put it to update to SAR, and you can see the note,
Okay, fine.
it will take some time. And then
Okay,
from date to
no.
date
Now put in a password.
Now, I want to put in a password,
Mm.
right?
Yeah. אל תשים אותו דבר שיש לך, תשים משהו אחר.
Okay,
So you're going to remember it?
yes. So I signed in.
Okay, now see,
Strategic,
so you may want to save it. You could save it so that every time you go in,
and then I saved it also.
okay. So now click sign in.
And I click sign in.
Hmm.
Okay, I click sign in.
What happened now? So I guess you may have to go to your Gmail and see if they gave you some verification.
Okay,
So open up another tab
so I open up another tab
in the same browser,
in the same browser.
right next to VAPI dashboard. You see VAPI dashboard?
Open another tab, you mean?
Yes.
Okay,
And go to one extra strategic and check your email.
okay, let me see what is in inbox here. Inbox here, we have the same inbox twice, so I can use this one
Right.
to log into another account.
Right.
Or I want to log into another account
One strategic.
and add another account. Press the other account.
That's fine. And then click, yeah. Next.
Okay.
Next.
And here is a message.
Of Google Voice being expired.
Yes, in 30 days, so which is
Yeah.
fine.
February 6th. Have you done that already?
February 6th, I think that I've done it already.
But you didn't delete it
Just
from there.
to be sure, let me just log into the Google Voice and see if I have it. I've done it already, and then delete this message. So I'm going to Google Voice.
February 7th. So it seems good. Yeah,
Seems
seven.
like I've done it.
You've done a
already.
call.
I didn't get any message
No.
either.
No. So you should have
What do you
deleted.
want now?
Go back to VAPI. Let's see what's happening in VAPI here. Go back to go back to Google. Chrome. Go back to your Chrome. No, that's not it.
Close this one.
You see down below you have Chrome.
Yes.
Go to VAPI. Now see the tab
Now
VAPI?
this is definitely in the right account.
Yes.
Let me go to the Gmail and delete the message.
Yeah.
Because it's no longer relevant.
Right. Okay, so you
I
can,
can delete it.
right.
And
Okay.
minimize it what, and to go to that.
Go
Right?
to that there. Let's see what it says.
What does
You
it
don't,
say?
okay, sign into your account or sign with, sign up.
Sign in again.
No, sign up. Here. Do you see where it says sign up? Below. Excuse me.
Leave it on screen.
I'm not trying. You see where it says sign up?
Yeah. Sign out, okay.
What's happening? Okay. So do Google, okay, Google, okay. Create your account, okay. So put in your email again. Yeah, the same one.
One
Yeah,
strategic.
right. And put in, create a different password.
Different, what's wrong with the same?
I need lower password must be at least 10 characters.
Or 10 characters?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, right now I have A.
Right.
And Ed.
I'll give myself to ads. Shesh Pamayim, no?
Password must contain at least
One symbol. Right.
So I'll go back and I'll edit that also.
Okay.
It will be on.
Maybe start from the beginning.
Sign in again.
No, just sign up. No, you see sign up? Yeah. Do you know what your password
I
is?
think that I didn't select Google. That was the problem. Yeah, let me go again and do it all over
Okay,
again.
fine.
A Google account from this list.
Okay. So one strategic question.
Maybe it is strange. This is what I didn't. I forgot to click Google.
No, you have one strategic there.
Okay, so one strategic fine. It is ARush.
Okay.
Okay, remember that.
Okay, continue.
Continue.
Right.
Update.
Oh, they just take from Google. No data here. Okay. Okay, now you're going to have to move your Loom. No, your Loom, where we can't read what's underneath the overview on the left panel.
Oh, just make it a little smaller.
What are you
Okay.
doing?
I just moved it away from.
Okay, fine. Now move right to Loom. Okay.
What do you need now?
Now you have to go back to your Google. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Now, what you hear, you have an overview, you have assistants, and you have phone numbers. Do you want to create the assistant first and then the phone numbers?
No, I want to create the phone numbers first. The most important is to get the.
But I think you have to create an assistant first.
So tell me what to do and I'll do whatever you want.
I think you have to do assistant. Go to assistants.
Okay, go to assistant.
Okay. And you see on the top there it says, do you want to do Mary Dental or you want to do it something else?
Let's do gaming. We did already
Okay.
Mary Dental.
Okay, so create assistant. You see that on the top? You have 3 panels. You have the left-hand panel, and then you have create assistant.
Mary Dental.
No, to the left of that.
The top of what?
To the left of Mary Dental's appointment scheduling. You
Here,
see,
Mary Dental.
and on top of it, you see where it says create assistant. Yes.
So what do you want me to
Click
do?
on it.
Click on it, okay.
Okay, this is where you do it. So the first thing you want to do is you have an assistant name. Just keep it new assistant. I just keep it new assistant. And then underneath you have for a quick start, you have appointment setter, customer support, inbound and game, NPC.
And then recon.
Pre-configure.
calculator sets up to give you a quick introduction to your assistant. Use it as a reference or starting point for creating your custom assistant.
Let's start with game NPC.
It seems like a pre-configured one is easier for
Okay,
the
you want,
students to
okay,
do.
I don't know, I've never used it, we can
So
try it.
let's use it one time now.
Okay, now there's a plus. What's that plus?
Let's create a new one.
I don't know, what's a plus mean? Click on
I
it.
told you
Okay, click.
to create, to mark it as a
Okay,
selection.
okay. Market selection, okay. So click. I've never used it before, so I don't know what I'm doing.
Now you know. I clicked it.
Okay, so click it.
Nothing happened.
Well,
So you want to try the game then?
hold on, let me just see something here.
Tell me what to do.
Make this larger.
This larger?
Make this whole screen larger so I see the whole thing here. To see you, when you make it too small,
Oh,
I
create
don't
the
understand.
system.
You understand? And you've done that
That's
many
input.
times. And many times you
That's
do
fine.
that.
So you have to know to correct the students. They say, I don't see the create assistant, so you have to stress, you have to make it full screen.
Right. I told you that 4 times already. Remember?
So time number 5,
Right.
make the screen full size so it can display the message create assistant.
Right. And we've never used pre-configured demo.
Right. So let's try to use it now so we know what the result is.
Okay, so now create assistant.
But it may not let you select your phone number, which is a problem.
I don't know.
Try create assistant.
You said you wanted to do that.
Yes. Hello, I'm Jordan, the CEO, co-founder of Happy.
Where do you see that?
First message here. What is your
How many?
name?
Oh, that's a first message. It says, identify you are Jordan, co-founder. Oh, the only problem with this is you have to fill it out. It's like prompting you. You have to answer all the questions. You understand? And then it'll create a demo.
So we don't want to do that because this is too much work.
Yes. You
We
understand?
want to go back and cancel that and do it again in the game and see.
Because this is a way, it's kind of like fill in the blanks.
Right.
Tell me your name.
And that will
Tell
take a long time.
They can do that later, maybe
Right.
as a part, but
Right.
you understand?
So first, so we want to go back and select something else. Right? And go back,
Create an assistant. Go and create an assistant, maybe.
create an assistant again.
Let's see. You know what I'm
And
saying?
now we'll select the game.
Game or inbound Q&A or customer support.
Or do something different.
Let me see what it says. Let me read it. What does it say?
An assistant for demonstrating an in-game NPC. Elenia is designed to offer guidance, lore, and insight into the mysteries of the natural world.
See, I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? It's like those gamers, and they have like a virtual meta game, and that's not for businesses.
Okay, so what inbound Q&A?
That's for like home advice or customer support. I like
What do you like?
I like customer support because it's the most generic.
Okay, so customer support is selected.
Yes. And then you have to do, what are you missing?
Nothing, I have to create an assistant.
Exactly.
So can I create an
Yes.
assistant? What would you like me to do next?
Create an assistant.
So I create an assistant.
Okay. So in creating an assistant, can you please move your loom? Your loom, where it's hiding all your commands.
Fine, I
On the
have to make
left.
it a little smaller. Then it's-
Yeah, right. That'll be good. Okay.
Okay, now what would you like?
And make it a little longer.
You mean taller,
Yeah,
like this?
yes,
Okay,
yeah. You understand?
yeah,
So this is Ava, all right?
yes.
And now, demo assistant. And this is Ava. Okay, this is Ava. We can use Ava as our, okay, and now go to phone numbers.
I'll go to phone number.
Right.
Okay. So now I'm a phone number.
Okay, now you create a phone number.
I'll create a phone number.
Now, which phone are you going to use?
I'm going to bring up my notepad.
Okay, so bring up your notepad. Your notepad,
my spreadsheet.
your spreadsheet, your Excel spreadsheet.
Yes, I'm turning on Excel. And I want to open the XLS vanity phone number, which I put on the blackboard.
Right.
So here, all those that are marked
Or what?
are what we want to use. For example, 248 is good because it spells the word bit.
Why don't we continue with USA for ourselves? Just put not now. Because it's that Excel that's the version for the,
Because we want to test the others.
oh, you do?
See, yeah. One day they may become available and then we want to use them.
Okay. I thought you wanted to grab it for yourself, some more USAs, before they get rid of it. I'm asking you.
Wow.
Job is good too.
Work is good, job is good.
Yeah, I think. What do you think?
Job was working one time. I have to make a note of it here.
Why is it an X?
We noted it.
Oh, well,
Worked also one time. So let me try job. Is that okay?
yeah. It'll tell you if it doesn't have it. 562, no?
So 5, 6, 2, and create.
No.
Currently not available. So 607 is not good.
What about
But
6?
262 is good.
What does that spell?
Bob or cow. Like cow of animals, the small animals that make cob and nets.
Oh, like cobweb, like a spider.
Yes, spider, right. Or Bob. You want USA instead? Or
Yeah.
what would you like?
I like USA because might as well use something for ourselves. You understand? And see if it's available still.
Let me make sure that I have 262 in my notes.
Yeah. Go back up, no? Yes, you have it. Me and Mom, Bobby McGee, yeah.
So let's put a note that
There's
it was
two,
available.
yeah.
Or available.
Yeah,
Okay, X were not available.
right. So now go to USA, because I'd like to fill that up. You want to maybe do the dial pad or something like that so you can put in numbers to see what it spells?
USA.
No, but do you also want to open a tab for like dial? For dialing to find out what your number spells?
What Bob spell?
No, if you get some new numbers in USA,
Okay.
you want to see what it spells. So open up a tab on one of the dial pads.
Okay, dial ABC.
Right. See if it works.
Okay, doesn't work.
Yeah. Do you have another one?
Yeah. Spell my phone. Dictate to me.
Spell, SPELL, my phone.
My phone number.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Phone spell. Okay, so
262, and show me. You want to find, here is Bob.
Bob, right.
And that was not available.
And Anna.
And which is good because this is the name of Anna. N-A-I.
And then it's
And
boa,
too.
like
And
boa
Anna.
constrictor.
Right.
Okay. But I like USA,
You
so,
like USA?
yeah.
Okay, so if you wanted to put USA,
in Vappy.
USA is 872.
Right.
872.
Right, keep that.
And show me. And then you have to scroll to the three characters that are at the bottom.
Right. And it does.
The US.
But they say,
Here, USA
is that
together. I don't
right?
know why.
Right.
They didn't list them together.
No.
But here's the,
I think they want a word, and it's not and that's that the problem is that's an abbreviation, so they don't show you
so
abbreviation.
anyway, is this good enough?
Yes.
You want some more of this?
No,
Okay.
but just keep it now. Go to VAPI, go to the tab VAPI,
Okay.
and then also go to, do you have to list which numbers you already have taken?
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's kill too much time. Let's
Okay.
start USA then.
Right.
I want to try other bit, something like this.
Okay.
Did I say already described this?
Mm.
I said 248, I said, right? Okay.
No.
Oops, we couldn't find the space.
Mm.
Create a phone number. 248,
Doesn't work.
create. Okay.
No, that's not good. It's 81. It's all numbers. But it is available.
It's available, but I don't want it
Right.
because it has digits in it.
Right.
And this is the struggle that I'm going to go through to demonstrate. Don't just take any name,
Right.
but mark that it didn't work.
Right.
It did.
But the area code is available.
Oh, V did work, but it was bad.
Right.
Okay, so V,
You understand?
It worked, but I didn't like it.
Right. You understand? What's the X for? Oh, okay.
And if I don't want it,
You just, you trash can.
delete,
Delete.
delete. And I want to delete this one too. I don't like this either.
It's the same one.
It's the same one.
Yeah.
Delete this one too. Delete.
It's,
And create another one.
right.
The next one will be, let's put USA. 872 and see what that.
See if it's still available.
The area code is currently not available.
Yeah.
But
You
there
understand?
is another two that are not there. 864
Okay.
and 228.
So you see, you almost have to grab them while they have it, you know?
No, you can try and then
Right.
come back. You have three
Right.
people, so each one has an email address, so they
Right.
can repeat doing it until they
Right.
find a good one.
Right.
And if not,
It's okay. They can get one to try it.
yeah. So I'm going to paste
He-
it at the top here.
Don't you want to look for 864?
864,
Keep on going down.
864,
Stop.
64.
You don't have it listed.
I don't have it listed, so let me
Insert. No, you want to go down.
paste it in my notes first.
Okay.
And then I want to go, what is before 864?
Is 849.
849. So I want to insert another
In front of top.
insert.
Right. 864.
I want to delete it. 228.
Yeah.
And this is good because it's spelled vote, like vocal.
Yeah. Like Volk.
Like the word vote. Like voice or vocal.
Yeah, that's very good.
It's very good. So let's
Yeah.
try that and see what comes out from
Yeah.
that. And mark it yellow if it is very good.
Yeah. And also mark that it does exist.
Yes, thank you. So V does exist. V,
V, not C. Okay.
okay.
Now create.
And then we have also 228 is back.
But do you want to see what exists
Back
for?
cat.
But you
This
don't.
is really better because it's a complete word, you know.
Which one? The,
bat or cat.
oh,
Let me see if this is available. So
228,
228. So go to 22,
stop,
22.
228,
Here.
bat, yeah.
Okay. Let's start with 228.
Create,
Create. Okay. Also 0 and 1.
mm-hmm,
I don't like this either.
mm-hmm,
So I want to delete that
okay.
and mark that I didn't like it.
228, that's 4. You want to go to
228.
228. 8,
Where's 228?
right, number 8,
8.
row
Here.
8
It was available,
was available, but you deleted it.
but I deleted it. This X means that I deleted it. So
Right, and now delete.
Z.
Okay, what does Z mean?
Z deleted it.
Z means delete?
Yeah.
Okay, so delete it.
I deleted it. And now I'll try vote. So the vote was vote.
Right, I like that.
You like vote?
Yeah. It's vocal.
Vote. And body also vote is B. 6. Here, this one.
Right. 864.
8, 6, 4.
You don't have the 4.
8, 6, 4.
Right. Now create.
Okay.
It's a 0
0
too.
and 2. That's the problem. The other one was 0.
Zeros, right.
So this will be vote, ITI, 9, ITI, IX. I don't like that. But pretty soon you will exceed 10. I will
Yeah.
think that you exceeded it.
Maybe let's do 1.
We try USA and that
We tried
was
USA.
not available.
Right.
Let's try Z, 843.
Okay. I like that one, if it's available.
Yes. Maybe 7, 876, wrong.
No.
7,
No, that's not run.
create.
That's not run. 786 is
Oh,
run.
786, thank you. 786,
I don't think it's
create.
available.
Not available.
No. 864 is available. Or 307.
This is vote. 864, this
Is Vogue.
is.
What about
done
8?
this, right?
What?
We have done that. And I didn't like it.
No, it's with a G. This is 8.
Oh, this is misspelled. This is not vote. This is vote with a G.
Right.
Did I do it?
862, they said, is available. No, 864.
Vote. So what do you want now?
That you tried it and you got a 0. You want to try another one to see?
No, so it is available.
Yeah.
And Z has deleted it.
Yeah.
I will put the code.
Okay.
What is each character? Okay, so
Okay.
let's try 847. 847. Okay.
No. They're giving you the same one.
847.
And soon you're going to be out of it.
Okay, what else can we try? I tried it and it wasn't
No.
available. No, I didn't try 843.
You did, I thought. It said it wasn't available.
Right, it wasn't available. And 862. Wait, let's try wait, maybe that's available. 99. 929. Create.
No.
No.
So put an X.
99. Put another X. Not available.
Mm-hmm.
With 949.
gonna stop on you.
It's stop.
Okay. This way you get the check.
What else do you want? Yes.
Yes, I like that.
Like it. 9, 3, 7.
Yeah.
9, 3, 7. Create.
No.
No. So another X. What else do we have here? With we tried, way we tried, both we tried, USA we tried.
Tip.
Tax.
Was tip available? Or we just didn't
No.
like the number? Then why is there a V?
Doesn't matter. Tax. Tax is 8 to 9. 8 to 9. Create.
No.
So tax is not available. Okay. Tip is good too.
Tip is good, but it's not.
Okay, let's do that. That is 8, 3, 2. 8, 3, 2.
No.
No.
So put an X. So sometimes it was available, I guess?
Yes. Rep.
Rap, I like rap, but that was not available.
Then it's 3, 7, 3, 7. 7, 3, 7. Create. Not available.
So you want to put 2 X's?
Yes. Another X. You should save it also. And it crashes then.
What about SAC?
Second, I tried that.
But you,
Not
not
right.
today.
No. So that is 7, 3, 2.
I like that.
7, 3, 2. Create. No.
That's not
Okay.
X.
And we can go off, like pop culture.
Mm.
7, 6, 7, and 3.
Free.
7, 6, 7,
I like pre.
and create.
No.
No, so 7, 6,
So
7.
put X. For pop.
Another X. And then 7, 7, 3, 3. I have to go to the restroom, so can you take over?
Mm.
So, or you want to wait?
I want to wait.
You want to wait? Let's
Yeah.
do a break.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
So basically, we see,
No,
What?
669. Let's try that.
because it's soon going to stop you anyways.
9. I don't know what we need to see that it stops. 505 at 307. Okay, so this is not. But I don't know if they limit you here to 662 now. 662. Create.
No. To put an X.
It's
אני צריכה גם כן לזה. So,
Min and man. So that's
Max, what about Max?
Max, I don't know.
I don't know even if that's an area code.
Max, but min 646. 46. 46. Create.
No.
So that will put another X there. And man is 636. Create. No. Another X there.
Go back up.
Oh man with A.
Yeah, that's good.
Create.
No.
There's another action here.
Mm.
And match. 63.
No.
No, right?
Mm.
This correctly if I'm wrong.
Right. Go back up.
Job we tried, it was
Between,
wrong.
right.
No, we rejected it. Kid.
Maybe
Right.
job. Maybe they have another one that doesn't have ones. If we do job
No,
again.
because the increment from job shall give job 1, 2, you know, 1, 3 and 1, 4. You have to wait for 10 or 20
Okay,
until you
okay.
get to that
22. Yeah.
point. So let's try. I'm confusing this a lot.
Kit, you wanted
5,
to do.
4, 8. We can leave it, take a little break.
Yeah.
5, 4, 8. And create. No, 5, 4, 8. There's also no.
No.
So let's take a little break.
Let me turn
We'll
off.
come back and fun is really great.
Yeah, fun would be great.
Right, fun and then we take a break.
Yeah, fun.
3, 8, 6.
6.
3, 8, 6.
Create.
8.
No.
2x. And 4. We'll do that after the break, so I'm saving it now. Let's take a little break. I'm going to stop the
It's an hour and 4 minutes.
recording on the phone.
It's an hour and 4 minutes, and on your
Stop the recording
on
my
the
goggles.
preface.
This already stopped by itself. Let me go to the back.
I'll go to the back one.
Alright, we'll take a little break and we'll come back. Can we continue for a few minutes and finish it up?
Yeah, let's finish it up.
Did you stop the
I just stopped the recording of,
MSN recorder?
no. I just stopped, let me renew,
So let's start again in the job. The job one was good.
yeah, hold on, let me renew the, let me renew
Can you
the,
renew it, please?
yeah, I
Job
want to
one,
resume.
job, here it's
I'm
job.
recording, I'm resuming recording, okay, all right.
Oh, jerk also.
What?
Job is really good. So
Job
let's
is the
try that.
best.
Job was
562,
562.
Let's see if it's, let's see if it's available. Sometimes now it's in a
One
little
thing
bit.
that I forgot to do is to copy it.
Okay. See, but
Function to create is only available in the US or numbers from other. Okay.
you know what I think it's now? I think it's in a loop just telling you that you can just use those three.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try it reload. Oops.
Oh, you timed out. I don't know what you
Timed
did.
out.
Yeah.
Laughing.
It's an error code.
I got an error code.
Yeah. Okay,
can
so,
sign like
no,
that.
no, just open dashboard.
Open dashboard.
What happened? What can I do? Okay. Please try it in a few minutes.
Oh, there's an error.
Yeah, because when you did that, there's now an error. Go back to the VAPI. You have the VAPI, that tab VAPI. See what happened? Oh, yeah. See, it's timed out. Oh, I think you took too long.
Error 52.
Yeah.
This is good. You get error. So
Right.
now you can go and refresh.
Oh, was not, you connected to the web server for too long with inactivity. You understand?
Yes.
So you know that
That will
basically, in
refresh the
case they
server.
don't, if they don't exit properly, they do a timeout error.
Right.
You understand?
We need to refresh the server. Follow step recorder. So that was VAPI, AI, strategic for you. The last one was one.
But job is really good.
Yeah. And when we come back, maybe it will increment. At the
You have to
camera.
give it some time. You understand?
Yes, yes.
Let it rest.
Did you restore Zoom?
Yes. It's recording now. Completely.
Fine,
That's the only thing I paused.
fine. No, I want to.
Did you turn on your glasses?
Yes. Okay. Now I want to stop this off. I want to swap the batteries here. Turn off the power at 360. Take another battery. Uh-oh.
What happened?
So that means that may be a good battery. This one somehow that was here, maybe I put it there.
Yeah, you put it there. I didn't put
I'm
it. I
just
don't touch your
afraid.
batteries. Right.
I'm just afraid it's a bad one.
Okay, try.
Turn it on,
Let's see if this is.
see if it works. And it looks like it is okay. Start recording again.
Okay.
Okay, now turn it towards the computer. And now I want to save the song.
Yeah, it's a good time to stop, anyways. You know what I
Can you
mean?
repeat it, please?
Here, you're stopping step recorder.
Save the song. I click the save button. Repeat it, please.
You're clicking the save button,
And I wait for it to let me save.
and now you're gonna choose the most recent one
I'm going to take the last one that I was using. that
in the
was listed
bottom,
at the end
right?
here.
At 336.
Make it a version C.
C. Was B before, make it C, and change the time.
C.
Now the time is 4:52 p.m.
Evening.
All right.
The time is
52 p.m.
4:52 p.m.
So it's an hour and 20 minutes later.
4:52 p.m.
Right.
And most important, I want to put in
The what?
the account that I was using.
Was the 1x strategy?
Control V, 1x
X.
strategic.
Right. That's important.
Yes, very.
So what I need to tell the students is to create a new Gmail account.
They probably all of them have from YouTube. That if they have done a YouTube stream, they have to have it.
Yeah, but do a new one. You understand?
No, you use the old one. Why do a new one?
Because sometimes they don't let you do more than 10.
More than 10 or if you
Numbers.
have 3 people,
Each person start
each
with
person, then they can
30.
make a second one
Right,
later.
right.
Don't inundate them
with
with
new things. Just use your but don't use your school account. Right.
And then review additional details.
Go up and how many?
This was 449 steps.
Jesus.
Can you imagine that?
No.
449
And you know that
steps.
when you sit too long and don't respond, the server just crashes.
Yeah. Then start a new recording. Repeat what
You start a new recording. You're going
add
to
a comment
add a comment,
and paste in
paste the
comment
previous, what's in the buffer.
the new file to solve.
Okay.
Another thing we can do is also, I paste it in my notes,
Paste what in your notes?
the new PSR file and edit
Edit, paste. Okay.
and a couple of enters and file save.
Okay, file save.
Another mistake that we have done,
What
go
else?
go to the end of this list also of the
Excel.
numbers
Yeah.
and paste it right here. This is the PSR file name. you
Okay.
understand?
Fine.
Paste
All right.
and save.
Save it.
And in the PSR file name, look at all the components that I have.
What?
I
I
want
don't.
you to understand if I can stretch your brain a little.
You have to stretch the. You have to widen the
First of all, I
notepad.
have the YouTube URL right,
Right,
here.
right.
I mark it with the cursor.
Yes.
Then I have vapi.ai.
Right. And then
Then
you
I
have
have the
X-
account that I was using,
extra strategic.
1x strategic
Yeah.
at gmail.com, which I excluded. And then I have my video file name
Uh,
from MSN Recorder Mac.
yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Then I go file save.
File save. Perfect.
It's in my notes. Now we can go back and we can log in and log out again.
Try
Another
it.
thing that I can
Yeah.
do,
Go to Vappy.
and I also wanted to add a comment to Pissar
About what?
with the new file name.
Okay.
I did it.
You did it
just
already.
to be sure I did
You
it
did
twice.
it twice.
Okay, and then I saved the spreadsheet also. So now I want to go back.
You want to go to a new tab.
I'll go back to the original
No,
tab
no.
and see if I'm still logged in. I will
What?
see here in another tab.
Type in vappy.ai.
Type in vapi.ai.
But yeah.
I'm already there.
Yeah, but move the step recorder. Okay, good. Okay, now
What
press
about
enter.
it, you know?
You're in, it says
Software,
dashboard.
okay.
You're in dashboard. It's not good.
Next one.
These are all.
Let's open it full screen, baby.
Open a new tab. Open a new tab.
Open a new tab in the browser.
Yeah.
What is this word?
I don't know. This was that phone spell
On the
combo.
phone screen.
Okay. Now what you should do is type over at vappy.ai. It probably is in. It's probably still in the buffer. That's the only problem.
What is in the buffer?
The old Vappy sign-in, but try it. You may have to go to a new browser.
Okay, so let me change the URL. I'll go to another
No, you don't want to do that. That's the dashboard. You don't want to go with those numbers. No. You just want this. Okay. Yeah.
Open up another browser.
All right. Just to see. Okay, now just type in Zappy. Now press enter. Let's see what happens. Okay, for developers. Where does it say log in? Open dashboard. You see that open dashboard on the top? Let's see what happens. Can you maximize it so we can see? Okay, that's okay. So now sign in. Go Google and sign in, not sign up. Which is the one strategic. You have it? No, I don't see it. No, won't see it. Type in one.
Here's one strategize, not one strategic. Pick my notes. It's important that you use the notes and everything is documented, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
That you're going to take your notes and do the one strategic at Gmail.
yeah, one strategic. See that?
Yeah. Paste.
One strategic. Next.
Put your password.
Let me see if I have it here. If I don't see it.
No. You have your phone looking at your keyboard? Do you have your 360 looking at the keyboard?
No. Please don't interrupt me so much. It took so much I cannot remember what I've done. Please stop.
Just enter your password.
Please ceasefire.
Okay. So now go to phone numbers. Okay, create a phone number.
Type John. 5, 6, 2, right? Yes, no. Are you there? And that's interesting that they added telling. I want to put a note in there.
They added what?
Telling. We can take a number from telling also.
NYX. Telnix. Okay, now say create.
Click create.
Let's see. No.
Now it's not available. Before they had it.
Right.
And the other one was, what was the other one? Should have written.
I thought you put.
It, and I did.
Thought you put it in the spreadsheet, no?
Spreadsheet is really not so good.
Right. To just put everything in your notes.
I think it was vote.
I thought it didn't.
Vote. 862.
862.
862. And create.
No. So they're saying now, listen, they've even limited it more. They say with all...
Other people go in there and use it.
Right. It's 307, 607, and 505. You see that?
Yeah. Let's go over and see which one were usable today. Was it vote? Yeah, vote
Yeah.
we just tried it. It
Yeah.
wasn't good. It didn't work. So
Right.
it wasn't available. So I went to put an X again.
X after it.
What else did we try today? USA was not available.
Available.
Vote,
Vogue was not available either.
no.
No.
Cheese, tax, all of them we tried that were not available. Oh, spy, I forgot. We tried spy, maybe that was from 779. Create. No.
No.
The spy was not available
No.
either. X, this is yellow.
Yeah, spy's good.
Yeah.
You tried tax, I think, didn't you?
Red was tried,
You tried run, didn't work. You tried sec, didn't work.
This is
You're trying pod.
763. Yeah. Then we can do it another time. 763.
Right. No.
763 was not available. Yeah. What else do we have here that may be interesting? Now we tried and it didn't work.
Right. We tried man and men. It didn't work. We tried mob.
Mom will try and it didn't work and I marked it.
Right.
MLS, that is not so bad.
Huh.
Because it is machine learning, multiple listings.
Machine learning, and what's the S for?
Machine learning,
Earnings. They use that.
conjugation, yes. Let's try and see that one.
657.
Oh, display file on entry. 657, 657,
I don't see it.
657.
Okay.
Create.
Doesn't work.
7X didn't work.
So exit. Did you put MLS that didn't work? But you have 657. Put MLS there. You wrote over it 657. Put it all caps. Put the caps on. Yes.
So if you don't like it, sometimes you have to quit.
Yeah. Okay. I think we've done an hour and a half, you know. Okay.
Jerk. Hurt. Gone. Check. Final try. Count. Employee.
Buy is good.
Buy. Let's try copy. I never tried that before, so
267.
7. Oops.
No.
Give me the same error.
404. Yeah. Oh, it's getting to be an issue.
We can wrap it up.
Yeah, wrap it up.
Tried it enough for today.
Yeah.
But
It was an.
try again
It's
later.
no. Try it tomorrow because it's 2 o'clock. 2 hours. You did 2 hours. You know,
This is too much then.
you have 2 hours. It's enough.
So how do we wrap it count.
Okay, so what do we need to do to wrap up? So let's conclude. Let's do some summary. First of all, stop sharing.
Let me just show, play
Okay.
back some of the recording.
Okay.
Can you let me do that?
Yeah, but let's do a summary of what we've
Share
learned.
my screen.
You are sharing your
Are you
screen.
sharing it now?
Yeah.
So let me leave now and say what I'm doing.
Okay.
Stop the
So,
loom.
okay, you're stopping the loom. Can I talk over you and just summarize what we did?
Yes, fine. Go ahead.
So basically what we did is we entered vappy.ai and we signed up via Gmail. So when you sign up via Gmail, you can put in your Gmail and a password, and it will create an account for you. Then we created an assistant, and we chose to do a support team assistant. And then we also tried to get some phone numbers. We had an Excel spreadsheet with a number of area codes, and we're looking for vanity numbers, and we're using the area code to spell something. We got some successful area codes. However, we didn't like the numbers because they had zeros and ones. So some other area codes we could not get them. So right now, we're now going to stop and close out VAPI, try another day when more numbers may be available with different area codes with numbers that spell a vanity number. So right now we're closing out. We're saving our spreadsheet.
Let me know when I can speak.
You can speak now.
So I'm going to edit, select the entire notepad, then edit copy to the clipboard buffer, then add it as a comment to Loom. Before I do that, I like to copy the video title instantly created. Loom AI automatically generated title based on your video content. Video setup and troubleshooting guide.
No, it's trying to be more intelligent.
So
No.
I want to end this comment. End the comment. And I paste my comment in my notes. Doesn't let me paste anything in here. And the summary is already made. I have a transcript. You can add my notes to the summary that you've made. Go to the very end. Couple of enters. It doesn't let me add anything.
Right. That's
yeah, but then let me add something. Okay.
right.
Then I want to go up and add chapters.
Right.
Generated by Loom already, so I don't need to edit the chapters.
It's done. And then you want to add tags.
Then add tags.
Right.
So intelligence is the first. Repeat it.
Intelligence is lanyard was the first.
Intelligence is the
First, then you have
second
intelligence is the first tag. Lanyard is the second tag.
artificial is the third.
Artificial is the third.
Remote.
Remote.
Plain.
Plain.
Inspection.
Inspection is the sixth.
In.
In.
Google.
Google.
Site. And Gen A, like Gen AI.
Gen AI. Okay.
Okay. So then I go up.
That just says Jenna. Doesn't have the I there.
Because you truncated.
Okay.
And then I try to play it back and it's not ready.
No. It's doing some more processing than it used to.
Then we'll log another time.
Yes.
In the meantime, we'll explore
Right.
the new or additional.
Why don't you log off the VAPI properly?
I don't want to log off just in case later on I'm already in and I can try it again, maybe it will work. Okay, so now I have my notes here and I'm ready. So
Did you save it?
I'll say
Did you want to put the time?
it is on the final. Want to see the screen?
But it says 3:36.
If it's the same.
Okay.
Now I want to stop the other recording.
Okay. So you didn't stop Loom.
I stopped
You did?
but I didn't play it back because it's not ready. Can you repeat it, please?
You said you didn't play back, it's not ready, but then why do I see?
It's not providing me the playback button.
Okay, it doesn't provide playback button because it takes longer now to do a Zoom recording.
When I finish it later, I can do it. In the meantime, I want to stop other recordings.
Okay.
Going like this one. Or
Okay.
It's an hour and 50 minutes.
Right.
You understand?
Yes, it's an hour and
So I
50.
press the stop button, repeat it.
Record stop.
Stop it.
Play
Double
back.
click to play back to see if it works. And I can turn on
Yes.
the volume.
No,
works
it
fine.
works fine. Close it.
So I close it.
Okay, close that. Webcam Max. Don't need it open. This way you know you finished.
Close webcam action. Okay.
Okay.
And now what is still working is MSN Recorder.
Right.
Open
MSN Recorder Max, right?
Stop
Stop
recording.
recording, right?
Don't
Say
stop
no.
but playback.
Then you have to wait.
Repeat it.
Now you have to, you're pressing the play button and you're playing it back.
Raise the volume a little because I cannot hear anything.
I hear it.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
did you hear?
I hear you.
Works fine.
See?
So
So close it.
okay.
Can you
Reduce the volume.
reduce the speakers?
Speaker.
Did you save the spreadsheet?
Yes, I want to refresh the sound. Can you repeat it?
You're gonna refresh Bazaar.
So I stop it first.
I don't see where you're stopping it.
I click the stop button and it grade it out.
Okay,
which means
now
that
it's
it
gone.
is executing the stop.
Okay.
And now that it's stopped, I get the
No,
hourglass.
it's the
I want to
hourglass.
save it with the new version.
You want to save it with a new name.
Same name, but
Updated.
extend the year with the subscript version number.
Right.
So as soon as it displays the save button, I will click the save button, which is not displayed over here.
Oh.
Repeat it.
So here it
displays
is. So you can click save.
So I click save. Take the previous version
And
make
then
the version
add a D. Add the letter D.
and the current time
It's 5:16.
5:16. Okay.
So 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Now I copy the notes,
Copy the file name,
the path,
the path,
and the backslash.
with a backslash. Now highlight the file name,
Copy to the clipboard.
copy
button.
to the clipboard, and click save.
I'm gonna find the save. Okay. Cannot find it. The save button.
It's right there. Save.
Save. And then click review additional details.
And you see it was 291 steps
Start a new one and edit comments in the previous one.
from the previous file name.
The sharp file stands for problem, step recorder, executable. Okay. Then I'm going to paste it into my notes.
Paste it in your
So
notes.
for the tail mix is one company, another one was
Vonage and Twilio.
V-E-O
And Vonage. V-O-N-A-G-E.
Okay.
And now you want to save the notepad.
Now I want to paste. Edit, paste. Remove version B and then file save again. And then go to the bottom of the spreadsheet and type it there too, paste it there too.
Paste it in the spreadsheet. Can you paste?
Control V.
Okay.
And then file save.
Okay.
Now, what else remains to be done? One other thing that I wanted to do,
Is what?
I wanted to put the URL of
What?
YouTube also in the spreadsheet, so it will be a URL there,
Okay.
the live stream. It will be archived on YouTube.
Okay. Paste it.
And then enter,
Press an enter key.
space and enter to make it a hyperlink, which it does.
Right.
And repeat this process to make the
Other ones.
Loom also a hyperlink,
Where's Loom?
which it does, and now
Right.
save it.
Save it.
So now you got both.
The Loom and the YouTube. Right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the spreadsheet.
On the spreadsheet.
And I saved it too.
And you saved it.
So
Okay.
what else do I need to do?
Well, you have still your Passar going. You can stop that.
Now let's exit Zoom.
No, you have to stop sharing. I cannot
I have
exit.
to stop sharing. Okay, so I go to share. And then
No, stop share.
or just stop sharing.
Yeah.
Click stop sharing.
Okay, you see me?
Okay,
Okay, now I'm going to go to YouTube. And I'm going to stop YouTube.
Oh, that means, are you in YouTube already? Did
I
you
stopped it.
stop it already?
You told me to stop. And now I'm going to stop recording. Okay? And now I'm going to end the call. End the meeting. We have ended the meeting. Okay? And then I have Vappy here, which I didn't log in. I'm going to close. And here's my YouTube. And here's my Vappy voice. Here's my launch. Close that. Here is my Zoom meetings. It was scheduled from 3 to 4, and now it's 5:20. Okay? So it's 2 hours and 20 minutes.
You can stop the recording on the 360. Right?
Right.
Now power 360 down.
I have Google security links. This guy, he sends me another email from Google.
Yeah. Anymore.
Nonsense questions. How long am I staying? Am I going to stay for the entire conference, just the exhibitions? Just give me a name to meet somebody in the exhibition hall, you know? And he'll get back to me.
So telling you I'm not sure. I'm deciding on. Could you please provide me with
No,
the name?
I answered. I said I'm staying for the entire conference. Make it as broad as possible. Then
Yeah,
they don't want to talk to me because I'm not in the conference. Yes, I will be attending the entire conference.
Yeah.
Bottom line. You know what I mean?
I'm going to drive G and make a special video. Can you hear me, Sarah?
What?
I'm going to drive G
Drive G
to videos
to videos
to 100 VR 360 subfolder
to the subfolder
to 100
100.
VR, like virtual reality.
Oh, virtual reality.
360s for this
300.
camera.
And what's the 100 for?
I don't know, but this is the name that they give their folders.
Mm-hmm.
And I create a new subfolder.
You create a subfolder.
Then I paste the name with it on it.
With it
It
on it.
says 3-12-2025 sub D, Wednesday 5/16, which is
Wednesday
the current
5/16.
time, PM. 1X strategy and VAPI AI. And then I created a subfolder to store the files from this camera.
To store the files from this camera.
From the 360
From
camera.
the 360 camera.
Then I copy it to the clipboard buffer
Then
with the copy command.
The copy command.
And then expand galaxy.
Then expand galaxy.
Expand black.
Expand black.
Which is your phone.
My phone.
And go to the subfolder and paste.
Subfolder and paste
the
it.
new subfolder with Explorer. And then it displays the 3-12 2025 sub D.
Sub D.
Okay. Now that I place it in the black subfolder, I'm going to place it also in the purple subfolder, which is my phone.
Okay, your phone is purple.
Right, and then paste it in here too.
Paste it
with Explorer.
with Explorer.
Finally, I scroll down to the next one, which is iView.
With iView.
Expand it and
Expand
paste the same name here with Explorer. So now I created a subfolder for each device.
Yeah.
Do you hear me?
Subfolder for each device you created.
Each one of these, one,
each and two. Okay.
3,
and 4.
4,
Right.
and 5.
And 5.
5 subfolders.
5 subfolders.
And then I can take the battery and out of this camera here. Repeat it.
You took the battery out of the 360 camera.
Put it in the charger.
Put it in the charger.
For the next time.
The next time.
Then take the micro SD out.
And then you took the micro SD out.
Pop it out.
Pop it out.
Pull it out and insert it into the computer.
And insert it into the computer.
You understand?
Yeah.
Or do you understand?
That you took the SD card and you're putting it so the computer can read it.
And slide it into the computer. Into the adapter first and then into the computer.
First the adapter, then the computer.
And then I open another instance of File Explorer. Expand SDXC. Do you hear me? Drive I.
Drive I.
Which is the micro SD card, then expand DCIM.
And expand DCIM.
You understand what DCIM is?
Yeah.
What is it?
That's going to be for your files on your SD card.
For the media.
For a media.
You have 15 files.
You have 15 files.
So mark the first one, shift to the last one, and cut all of them out, and paste them on the hard drive.
And paste them on the hard drive. So, the computer.
My video camera glasses and charge them. Follow me. Can you imagine the guy cannot find the name of the director of the booth? That's how this company is, you know.
Yeah.
One hand doesn't know the
So he
other
just
hand.
has to dry cut my name. That's why I said I'm going to be at the full all day at the entire conference, because then they'll say, well, I can't meet you because you're not in this, you're not in that. You know what I mean? Where you said I'm not sure, they'll tell you when you're sure, let us know, you know, just to drag me.
Gotcha.